We decided we were going to discuss where we got our name. And in one of the rehearsals, I don't know if it was Dean or I leaning back here, where the lights were hitting us, but our face, one of our faces was purple. So when we discussed the name, somebody said, how about the face is purple? So it stuck. And I got to tell you guys, I really like this shirt. I really like this shirt. So anyway, without further ado, please let me introduce the band, The Face of Purple.
Okay, everyone. All I ask from you is when we say oi, give us an oi.
Lock up your daughter, lock up your wife, lock up your back door, and run for your life. Man's backing down.